Današnje poslovno srečanje tukaj v Kranjski Gori poteka v simbolnem okolju. V središču Alp, ki je naš naravni ponos in tudi pomembno gospodarsko središče. Hkrati pa tudi eno najbolj občutljivih okolij, kjer se najhitreje odražajo podnebne spremembe. In alpski prostor je prostor tudi velikega, že sedanjega sodelovanja med Slovenijo in Avstrijo. Tukaj sta naši državi naravni partnerici.
Austria and Slovenia are very much connected to each other. There has been very strong cooperation in a lot of areas, and we at Advantage Austria always try and identify new areas. We have a lot of companies that already cooperate, and we know that there is still a lot to do. So events like this today, this networking event between Austrians and Slovenes, will bring together companies that are also inspired by the panel discussions, and so I'm sure that some great new cooperations will arise from this.
Yeah. Just like Podkora is famous for its steep slope, we are facing steep challenges, bringing down the CO2 emissions even steeper. And while this is a challenge, it's also an opportunity, a business opportunity. So that we turn these challenges into turnover, into jobs, into exports of our regions, Slovenia and Austria. And I think we're quite good for that, prepared, because we have core values. We always looked after nature, just like Slovenia stands for green, creative, smart. These are the best ingredients we can have to create a greener future with products made in Slovenia, made in Austria, made in Europe.
Ja, torej Slovenija dela precej raznolika. Slovenija ima to, bom rekel, na nek način težavo, ki je pa hkrati včasih tudi prednost, ker imamo malo podjetij, se seveda ta podjetja ukvarjajo z raznimi stvarmi in pač pokrivajo vse, kar Slovenija potrebuje, oziroma tudi drugo. Zdaj na področju zelenih rešitev je Slovenija nekje, bom rekel, v enem takem vzponu, ampak po mojem mnenju še vedno so kar neke rezerve, predvsem v tem, da so morda te nove rešitve malo prepoznane v Sloveniji. Ima morda včasih malo problem, da delamo neke dodelavne posle, se pravi, da ne delamo tistega originalnega dela, ampak potem nadomestnega in si kot tak drugi v vrsti. In potem ta rešitev seveda mora biti primerna po ceni, sicer bo tisti originalen del prišel. Tako da tukaj morajo podjetja v bistvu razmišljati 10-15 let naprej, kateri produkti bodo na trgu, ki bodo bolj zeleni od obstoječih in se pa seveda usmeriti v tisto področje.
So I think that the sport is a really very, very important part of the tourism. I mean, it's one of the biggest parts. Everybody forgets about it because if you have a football group, if you have a team of ski jumpers, whatever, there are children, there are trainers, there are sport athletes. Everybody has to stay there, has to sleep in a hotel, has to eat, has to drink, has to drive with a shuttle. So it's a really huge part of the tourism. So it's important to bring the sport into this tourism discussion. Sport and tourism belong together.